SpongeBob night.
SpongeBob awesome.
Liam, come here. Liam, right now. What is happening? Okay, I'm calling your mom. Just stay right here.
Extraño tanto. Papi. Dios mío.
The dogs are ready for bed. It's just a peaceful night here. Get ready to go to bed myself. What the fuck is that? What? Oh, God! Fuck!
Are you sure? I don't think so.
Yeah!
What's that?
Papa.
A bear! I told you! Didn't I? I told you I seen something! Quickly! No! I bet I'm telling you now.